Hello students, this is Jayant Ronkar, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Students, today we are going to learn about second practical of computer graphics, and the aim of this practical is write an application program to draw a line using digital differential analyzer. Uh, this algorithm, that is DDA algorithm or digital differential algorithm, is used to draw a line. And this algorithm is work on incremental method. Incremental method means we have to calculate the value of x coordinate or the value of y coordinate, and accordingly if we will get the value of any one coordinate, we have to increment the value of x and y by 1. So this is what the incremental method, on the basis of which digital differential analyzer work, and it will draw a line on a screen. So first of all we have to include graphics.h, we have to include stdio.h, we have to include math to perform some sort of mathematical calculations. We have to put the math.h header file in this program. Then we have to write dos.h, then conio.h. Then we will start writing the main program. So we have started with void main function. In this program, we will use the float variables x, comma y, x1, y1, x2, y2, dx, that is change in the value of x, then dy, that is change in value of y, and steps. This is also one variable. Then we have to again declare the variable, that is I variable, that is having the integer value. Then GD, we know why GD is used to detect the graphics. GD variable is used. It detects the graphics, and GM is used to initialize the graphics mode in the program. Then init graph, that is initialize the graph, ampersand of GD and ampersand of GM. We have to put the path while we are writing the program of graphics. For when we are using this digital differential analyzer algorithm, we have to enter 2 points, that is P1 and P2. P1 is having the coordinate x1 and y1, which is given by this printf statement, and we are providing the value of x1 and y1 by using the scanf statement. Printf statement is used to enter the value of x1 and y1. Then we have to enter the value of p2, that is second point. So we have now we have the value of p1 and p2, that is two end coordinates of line. When we will get these two coordinates of line, two end points of line, we can draw the line very easily. If anyone say draw a line by using the pencil pen, okay, or paper and pen. So computer will use this algorithm while drawing the line. Now this algorithm uses the technique of incremental method. For that, we first need to find out the difference between x2 and x1. What is the length of that line, that we have to calculate first. So that's why dx equal to absolute of x2 minus x1 is used here to find out the difference between x2 and x1. Then dy equal to absolute of y2 minus y1 to find out the difference between the y2 y1 y2 and y1. If then we are going to apply one condition, that is if delta x is greater than or equal to delta y, step equal to dx, means step is a variable, step equal to ds, or we can say step is nothing but the length. This step is used for the length variable. What will be the length of that particular line, which is having two endpoints, we can say p1 and p2, having the coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2. If suppose delta x, that is x2 minus x1, is greater than or equal to delta y, then step or length equal to delta x, or otherwise else step or length equal to delta y. Then length equal to delta y. So after this, delta x equal to delta x by step, then delta y equal to delta y by step. This will approximate the length of the line. That's why we need to write this step, that is delta x equal to delta x